Hello friends, you know this three-letter word? Now we are friends with that, isn't it? How many times we have met this friend, and so the more we meet, the greater will be our love for this small three-letter word, right? Yes. So now I will write some words on the board, and so words like meat, bread, butter, gold, iron, silver, stone, and we have milk connected with this milk, cheese. Both these are connected words now, cheese, isn't it? Food, etc. Now what are these? We call them substances. A pen. So, pen. What do you call? You call them subscription now, substances. What is substances means? There's something you can see, you can touch on all those things. There is substance. Isn't it? See, for example, when you take bread, you can touch it. There is something with you. Milk, you can see it in packet. Cheese, you can touch, you can eat. Iron, you can touch it, you can take it with you. Isn't it? Silver, yes, gold, etc. Now the question here is, what should we do with these nouns, substances? You need not do anything particular. It is in connection with the use of the. Should we use the with them or should we not? We can do both. Both means you can use the with them or you may not use the with them. Question there is when. See, two sentences you can compare, then you will understand that. See, you find a word like I said, bread. Bread is brown. See, bread is brown. But at the same time you can say, the bread I bought yesterday is white. So we have both breads now, brown bread and white bread. You have seen white bread and brown bread. Yeah. So here you can see bread without the and bread with the. What is the difference? You can easily understand. Because the general principle for the use of the is, if the noun is specified, say this or that, like that, you have to use the. Otherwise, a general use, generally stated, there is no need of using the. See, look at these two examples, you will find that. Compare this. You will see, bread is brown. A general statement. It's a general statement. But when it is the second sentence, the bread I bought, specific bread, that particular bread. Actually, this is the, should I use a big word, philosophy behind the use of the definite article the. If you find anything is particular or specific, use the. Close your eyes and use the. If anything is general, don't use the. So in this case, so as far as substances are concerned, if they are used in a specific sense, a particularizing, particular sense, or meaning of that or this, you should use the. Otherwise, leave it, general use. For example, the bread I bought yesterday is white. That bread I bought yesterday is white. This bread I bought yesterday is white. Same. So if you can substitute the with this, that, then you should use the. Otherwise, no. The bread is brown. Nobody will say like that. Bread is brown. Brown. It's general. Same with this. See that? Meat is nutritious. Meat is nutritious. It's a general statement. But if I say the meat sold in that shop is what did you say? It is the meat sold in that shop is rotten. I did not want to make that statement, that's why I was waiting. So meat is nutritious. What do you say? The meat sold in that shop is rotten. We can say that meat. We can say this meat. Then butter, I can say. Butter is tasty. See? Butter is tasty. General statement. Or butter is nutritious, we can say. Or there is the butter that you gave me is stale. It is stale. You can say like that. So this, the butter, that butter, this butter. And you can see milk. Milk is a wholesome food. Milk is a wholesome food. And you say, the milk that we get from a place, give the name of the place. I don't want to give the name of the place, is more nutritious. Let's become positive. The milk, that milk, this milk. And then we can see food, substance now. Food is necessary for growth. Food is necessary for growth. The food supplied by name of a hotel, by Kish Kish Hotel, the food supplied in Kish Kish Hotel, yes, is very tasty. So you can say this food, that food, like that. See that? And gold is a precious metal. Gold is a precious metal. The gold that I bought from this shop is not 916. Or you can say the gold which I bought from that shop is 916. The carat, not the standard. Iron. Iron is a strong metal. Or iron is not a strong metal, that's not good. Iron is a hard metal. Iron is a hard metal. The iron we imported from country, name of the country, is very soft. Because some processing might have taken place. Silver. Silver is a bright metal. Silver is a bright metal, general statement. See, the silver that I bought or that I gave you yesterday, or the silver I am planning to give you tomorrow, put it like that, always not yesterday but tomorrow, is mixed with gold. It is mixed with gold. Some mixing is there. Stone. Stones are found everywhere. It's not anything new. Stones are found everywhere. The stone I threw the stone I threw at him hurt him or did not hurt him. The stone I threw at him did not hurt, because that somehow slipped. Yes. Pen. Pen is a useful instrument for writing. The pen I am using is a marker for whiteboard. The pen I am using is a marker for a whiteboard. You can say the pen, this pen, that pen. The pen, this pen, that pen. That pen. That's it. So if you find, how do you find the simple test to find out whether something is specific or not? If something is specific, it's not only with the substances, but anything is specified, you should use the. So a ship, for example. Ship. You say name of, say the ship. You say, ships are useful for voyage, for traveling oceans, you can say. Simple language, you can put. Or for voyaging, you can say. What is it? The ship that came from Singapore. So that ship, this ship, is very luxurious. So that anything is made specific, you should use the. This is a golden rule for the use of the. Clear? Fine. Have a nice time. Enjoy your life.